Hey guys, welcome in Code with Money. In this video, we are going to explain about the new portfolio which we have created using the HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So you can see this is the home page. You can see this is how looking beautiful and responsive and totally developed in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And you can see that this is the home page and it's so looking beautiful about this portfolio. And you can see the about that you can mention about yourself, name is address, whatever you want to add you can add. And you can tell about your professional development and you can see this is the service, and in service you can mention about your development, whatever you did design, whatever you have development done, you can mention each and everything in service. And this is the portfolio that you can mention about your design, development, etc. Anything you can mention in your portfolio. Okay, so and you can see this is the different kinds of portfolio we have added. And this is the resume part. Here you can mention about your education, qualification and experience, whatever you have and whatever did you in your education you can mention, and you can edit it again according to your requirement. And this is the blog part. So you can see this is the blog part. In blog part you can mention and you can write according to your whatever you did you can write in your blog part. Okay, and after that we have a contact path. In contact path anyone can contact with you. Okay, and this is the totally responsive website. If you want the source code you can go to the description box link, and don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you guys.